Hello everyone, I am Shivam Pasari and welcome to ACE Academy. So as you can see from the title of this video, in this video we'll solve another question on the topic of number system, and this question is a part of the 100 lecture series on the topic of number system. Now the question is as follows: if n is equal to 2 raised to power 4 into 3 square into 7 cube into k is a perfect square as well as perfect cube, find the total number of factors of the least value of k given k is a natural number. Now we are provided 4 options for this question. Option A 40, option B 120, option C 80 and option D 60. So this was our question on the topic of number system, and I would like you to try this question first by yourself and then come to this video for the solution. I hope that you've tried the question and you've got the solution, and if you didn't, then let's check the solution. So according to our given question, we are provided a number n such that n is equal to 2 raised to power 4 into 3 raised to power 2 into 7 raised to power 3 into k, and we have to find the least value of k such that n is a whole square and whole cube as well. Now for a number to be a whole square and whole cube, the number that is raised to every prime factor must be a multiple of 6. Now since we have to find the least value of k, the least possible number can be 0, but since k must be a natural number, the least possible value must be 1. So for 2 raised to power 6 to be happen, we have to take k's prime factor of 2 as 2 raised to power 2. For 3 raised to power 2, we will have to give 3 raised to power 4 in k, and for 7 raised to power 3, we have to multiply it with 7 raised to power 3. So the least value of k is 2 raised to power 2 into 3 raised to power 4 into 7 raised to power 3, such that n is a whole square and whole cube as well. Now the question doesn't end over here. We have to find the number of factors for the least value of k. Now if we have a number of the form a raised to power b into c raised to power d into e raised to power f and so on and so forth, where a, c and e are prime numbers and b, d and f are the respective powers, then the number of factors for that given number is equal to the product of p plus 1, d plus 1 and f plus 1 and so on and so forth, as many numbers are there. So according to this formula, the number of factors for k is equal to 2 plus 1 into 4 plus 1 into 3 plus 1. Now we just have to calculate this product and we'll get our result. So that is equal to 3 into 5 into 4, which is equal to 60. So according to our given question, the number of factors for k is equal to 60, and it is option number D. So our final answer is option number D, 60. That was all for this video, and I hope that you understood all the topics covered in this video. And if you have any doubt, then you can post your doubts down in the comment section, or you can send your doubts to us to our channel's official Instagram or Facebook page, and we will surely solve your doubt as soon as possible. Or you can go to the official website of ACE Academy and you can send your doubts to us from there, and all the links are provided down in the description. And if you did like the video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel ACE Academy.